Assalamualaikum guys. On this video I will show you do home wireless router. So let's start my video. This one is a SIM card from Do they provided. This one is power adapter. This one is installation guide and warranty documents. This is the main router, so you have to fix up on this the antenna. Then just on the back side you can see the for putting the SIM card. So just open first. Then I'll remove the SIM card. This is SIM card we should insert on this device. Slowly please. Then just close on properly. So the power adapter will remove first the tape. Then we'll just connect at the back side. You can see the connect adapter pin. Then you can make anywhere, just connect plug in the charger. Then you will see here the blue color the light, it's working, you can see here. So guys, at the back side of the router you can see there is username and password. There is two usernames, so one is 2.4G and another one is 5G. So you can use both also, and you can connect more than 20 devices. So I'm using also in my house, so you can try on your home too. So